What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, Bear Peak is open at Mountain Creek, so I'm giving you one run down Bear Peak. I'm going to go down the trails that they have open right now, and when we're done, I'll tell you how the conditions are, and it'll be sick. Before we get into the video, though, I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter, so I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button for me. I'm uploading daily, and we're almost there, boys. So, without any more talking, let's jump into this one run down Bear Peak. Woo!
What's up, guys? I forgot to film an outro for one run down Bear Peak, so I figured I'd let you know how the conditions were now that I'm back in my house. Conditions were okay on it. They were blowing a lot of snow, as you could see, but the cover was nice and it wasn't very icy, so you were able to carve a bit and honestly just have a clean run down the mountain. It was pretty fun, to be honest. Even though there's no features over there, it's still a good time if you just want to bomb the hill and have a nice short run and do something a little different. Not gonna lie, I look forward to when they open the trail all the way on the left side of Bear. I forget the name of it, but the trail's a little bit longer and it's honestly really fun to cruise down. But what's open on Bear right now is pretty fun. And if you need a break from riding over on South Peak, I recommend you take a quick lap over there because you'll probably have no line getting up Bear Peak. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.